Finally, OnePlus decided to launch its new budget smartphone of 2020. But it's not going to be like any other smartphone out there. And why so? Well, that's what we are going to discuss today in this video. Before that, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet because I keep bringing such videos every now and then. So, let's get going. We have been getting the leaks of the phone for over 2 months now, and as of today, many things have been confirmed by the company itself.
Like, the phone is going to come with a Snapdragon 765G supporting 5G and a 6.55-inch 90Hz Fluid AMOLED screen, and IPrated water resistance, and dual front-facing and quad rear-facing camera. But as you might be wondering, why the company is going with a lesser power 765G chipset rather than using a 800 series chipset? Well, you see, every year many companies like Xiaomi, Poco, Realme and Samsung launches their so-called flagship smartphone with the most powerful chipset out there, which looks good on paper, but they all fail to give that true flagship feeling, like being able to use your phone underwater or the security of capturing the perfect photo every time, no matter day or night, or overall software performance without any kind of bloatware or ads on it. Well, I really hate those ads on your phone, Xiaomi. Which in my experience is what OnePlus is trying to achieve, as instead of going for the most powerful chipset out there and cutting corners on every other thing, it's going for a lesser powerful chip with more of a flagship like performance and experience. By providing things like almost stock Android like Wax experience, IP-rated water resistance, 5G network support, and a flagship level camera. Well, that's what I call a flagship phone.
Well, those were my thoughts. Let me know down in the comment what do you think about the phone and make sure to subscribe to the channel because see you in the next video.